This video is to show you the reason why it is important to get your boiler checked once a year by a gas safe registered engineer. We were called out because the customer was getting no hot water but was still getting central heating. The boiler was a Vaillant Ecotech 824. On removing the cover, we diagnosed the problem was the divertor valve. While the front cover was off, we noticed that the main heat exchanger was showing signs of distress. It was damaged and was spilling carbon monoxide into the kitchen. If the customer hadn't have had no hot water and hadn't have called us out, the consequences could have been serious, just like Coronation Street was showing very recently.
Ambidextrous.
Changing a divertor valve on a Vaillant Ecotech. Also, the heat exchanger was warped, the plate is warped, so we're changing that as well. There it is. Look how warped it is, just around that edge there. Seal's gone. So that's getting replaced. Changing the plate on the front of the heat exchanger, which was warped due to not being put on properly. As you can actually see here, it's actually warped there. So we're changing that. We've got the full kit. We're cleaning it up, cleaning the burner, and then reassembling it. 4 screws. This, by the way, is on a Vaillant Ecotech 824. Snip them all up. Seems sufficiently tight. Right, now then we've got to replace the seals. There's a bag here somewhere with them in. That's the ones here. With that, like that, and she'll check on here that it's the right way round, and this is the right way round. Now we've got to change the electrodes from the old plate to the new plate. Need a screwdriver. Of putting a new heat exchanger front plate on, which was damaged and warped. We have now reassembled it and put it back on the boiler. And now we're using our flue gas analyzer, doing the carbon monoxide test. Right, finished the reading on the flue gas analyzer. 0.0008, so that was fine. So now we're doing a carbon monoxide test in the room to check that out to make quite sure it's safe. Put it all back together, running through gas analyzer to check the carbon monoxide. We're also now doing the CO on the boiler, make sure there's no carbon monoxide leaking into the room.